Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Louis Vuitton collection. So if you would like to see what I have, then please keep watching. So I'm going to start with SLGs first. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton item and it is the key pouch or the key clay. I have mine in the monogram canvas. This is super old. This is like over 10 years old, but I use it every single day. It's always attached to my keys with the little key ring, and in it I just keep my license, my insurance card, anything pertaining to my car. So this is literally, you need this. If you don't have this, you need this. And my earrings are from Louis Vuitton. They are the Louise hoops. I will insert like a little clip of them. So yeah, these are bomb. I love them. I've wore them so many times. Next, this is one of my favorites. This is my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. I have it in the red interior. I did a review on this wallet. I will link it above so you can go check it out if you would like to, but I love this wallet. If you are a big wallet girl, you need this. So after those two, I went a little bit SLG crazy, so I don't know the order anymore of how I got them, but my next one I'm going to show is the mini pochette. Mine is made in France. Oh, I haven't told you. My key clay is made in Spain. My wallet is made in France. You can see that right there, made in France. This is so good for downsizing if you want to use this as a catch-all in your smaller bag. I ordered this. I got this when everything shut down in March, and I bought this online. I was really lucky to snag it. If you see this, get this. This is bomb. You need this. I'm going to say you need all of these. I just want to let you know. Next, I have the Cosmetic pouch. This is the biggest size. I use this a lot when I travel. This one is also made in France. I actually sadly got some sort of liquid on this tab, but that's okay because you can't see it anyway. But this has the wipeable interior. I do need to clean them, but I love this. I was thinking about getting the smaller size, but between that mini pochette and this, and then I have another smaller case. I don't really think I need it, but probably get it anyway. Cases. My next item is the Toiletry 15. I was thinking about selling this item, but somebody told me not to, and whoever that was, thank you so much. I'm gonna go look back at who it was, but thank you so much because I use this as a makeup bag in my Chanel Maxi. I use this as a catch-all in my Chanel Maxi. Like, this is so good. So thank you so much. And this is the Toiletry 15. Speaking of toiletries, I have the Toiletry 19. This is full of all my catch-all things in my work bag. And this is my favorite. I can't go too much into it. It fits everything. It's a great catch-all for your bigger bags. And yeah, I just can't say enough good things about it. Oh, this one is made in Spain, and so is the smaller one. What am I doing? I'm getting away from telling you where they're from. Sorry. But yeah, this one, I love it. It's full of all my things. I just love this. This is so great. I did have the 26, but I sold it, which I sometimes regret it, but not really. Not that much. But yeah, the 19 is my favorite size. 19 is my favorite number. But yeah, I love this. So next, I sold my zippy coin purse to acquire this item. This is the Recto Verso wallet. I use this in all of my downsized bags. I love this. I love this little envelope pocket, and then I love this little secretive pocket. Then you get this pocket, which I keep cash in. You get 3 card slots and 1 little slot that I use for cards as well. And this is made in France, if you can see that. This is such a good wallet. So if you're thinking about a downsized wallet, or if you are a smaller wallet girl, you need this. This is a bomb, and it's the black and monogram, which I love. Now this next item is an item that I wanted for so many years. This is the Nice BB. I have a what's in my bag on my channel, so I will link that above. And on it I have this cute little Louis Vuitton bandeau. I think it's called World Tour, but it has leopard print and it is just so cute, and I love this. I take this with me when I travel. Next I have the Toiletry 20 $125, Jerusha Couture. She made me buy this. No, I'm just kidding. But I saw it on her channel when she was talking about her toiletry bags and her cosmetic bags. And I was like, I need this. So I've actually never used this, but once I travel more, I will. I do use my niece BB the most, but I will eventually use this. But I just love the wipeable interior, and there's this really nice deep pocket in the back, and this one is made in France. And I only have one pair of shoes. They are my Louis Vuitton Star Trail boots. They are so comfortable. I walked in Vegas in these. Like, I just have no complaints, and they're gorgeous. I love the monogram in black. They are so bomb. If you are thinking about these, get them for the winter months. I know it's becoming super hot, but these are great for the winter months, the fall months, so you need these. These are the Star Trail boots. I only have one because the other one's up there and I can't reach. And now we're gonna move on to bags. So this bag right here, this is my baby. This is the first Louis Vuitton bag that I ever got. It's so sentimental to me because I wanted a Louis Vuitton purse literally since I was like 5 years old. Ever since I saw it, I snuck into my aunt's closet and saw all of her Louis Vuitton purses, and I knew I needed a collection when I got older. And this is my first Louis Vuitton. This is the Damier Azur Speedy 30. The straps are very, very dark, but this is my baby. I love this bag. This bag was such an accomplishment for me. It was such a goal. I will never sell this bag. I don't really use it. I haven't used it in about 2 years, but this is my baby and I love it, so I will never get rid of this bag. Has a lot of color transfer. It's very dark. This little tab is curled up, but it's just perfect. I love it. I still love it. This is my Neverfull GM. I have all of my work things in it. I am going to probably do a new what's in my bag, so please let me know if you would like to see that. And yeah, I love this bag. I have a lot in it. No, I don't have a bag organizer. I do not like bag organizers. I do have this, which is my only SLG that is not monogram, but I have a lot of things in here, a lot of things going on. In that video, I asked you guys for suggestions on what I should put in here, and everybody gave me such good suggestions, but right now it just has masks and miscellaneous things. So yeah, this is the Neverfull GM. This next bag is probably my favorite and most used Louis Vuitton bags, and it is the Palm Springs mini backpack. I did a what's in my bag for this purse, and I showed you what fits. I love this. I can't rave enough about this. If you watch my channel, then you know that I love this bag. So yeah, this is the Palm Springs Mini. This is the newest bag in my collection. This is the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene print. Love this. I'm thinking about getting the hot stamp on this little key, but I love this bag. If you watch my channel, you know that I bought this, I returned it, and then I bought it again. I love it. It's perfect for going out. I like it as a top handle bag. Crossbody strap is not it, so all my friends on here that told me that they only use it as a top handle, same. But yeah, I love this bag. This is the Alma BB. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this backpack is made in the USA, and this Alma BB is made in France, and this is made in the USA, and so is my Neverfull. And now my last Louis Vuitton piece is one of my favorites. This is the Keep All 45 in the Damier Ebene print. I have my name, Drea, hot stamped on the bag, and I've gotten a lot of use out of this as a carry-on. It fits all of my bougie items, so I don't have to check them. So that's what I wanted it for. It has this really nice pocket in the bag, and yeah, I love this bag. I'm so proud to have a Louis Vuitton luggage piece. And that is it for my collection. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.